Hello quizzers, welcome back to my video. Today quiz is all about would you rather questions. You have got 35 of them. If you are new here, subscribe to our channel for more games just like this. Let's start. Would you rather have a flying car or a car that drives on water? Would you rather never be able to use screen again or never be able to travel again? Would you rather have Mickey Mouse voice or Darth Vader voice? Would you rather be Captain America or be Spider-Man? Would you rather enjoy a sea view or a mountain view? Would you rather always talk by singing or always walk by dancing? Would you rather never have a homework or never have vacations? Would you rather it rain all the time or always be very hot? Would you rather never eat fast food again or never eat sweets again? Would you rather give away your phone password or like this video? Would you rather have a pebble in your shoe or a splinter in your finger? Would you rather sleep on a bed of nails or sleep on a bed of ice? Would you rather live without light or live without sound? Would you rather wear wet clothes or wear clothes that are too tight? Would you rather act in an action movie or in a horror movie? Would you rather never be tired or never be hungry? Would you rather eat sand or drink seawater? Would you rather shave your head or shave your eyebrows? Would you rather go to school in a clown costume or in pajamas? Would you rather have suki shoes or itchy cloth? Would you rather help a homeless person or help a stray animal? Would you rather be allergic to water or allergic to sun? Would you rather eat a burnt dish at every meal or eat a dish that is too salty at every meal? Would you rather hear a barking dog constantly or hear a crying baby constantly? Would you rather be a world class surfer or a world class snowboarder? Would you rather never laugh again or always laugh at the wrong moment? Would you rather always walk very slow or always run? Would you rather eat a raw or drink expired milk? Would you rather never do the dishes or never clean your room? Would you rather take an ice bath or a boiling bath? Would you rather speak only in rhyme or speak only in song? Would you rather find a snake in your toilet or have a spider on your face? Would you rather ride a carousel or ride a slide? Would you rather have no one attend your wedding or no one attend your funeral? Would you rather use these toilets or those toilets? Would you rather save a puppy or have a new car? Would you rather live in a transparent house or live in a house with no windows? Would you rather walk on hot coals or walk on tightrope? Would you rather pick one ice cream or kick one ice cream? Would you rather spend your life in prison or live alone in Antarctica? Would you rather lose all your memories or never be able to create new ones? Would you rather be a math genius or be able to speak all languages? Would you rather remember everything you see or remember everything you hear? Would you rather walk through a dark tunnel or be stuck in an elevator? Would you rather go to a ball pit or an inflatable castle? Would you rather climb a mountain or go skydiving? Would you rather drink only water or only sodas? Thanks for watching.